Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about a natural remedy for cucumber propagation that anyone can easily try at home. Propagating cucumbers can help you grow fresh cucumber plants, which can be used to produce delicious, homegrown produce. Cucumbers are popular both as a snack and as a vegetable. They are easy to grow and can be grown from seeds or by propagation. The natural remedy we are going to discuss today is an easy method to division the stem of a cucumber to create new plants. To get started, all you need is a cucumber that is still fresh and firm. Here is how to propagate your cucumber using this natural remedy. 1. Choose a healthy, young cucumber plant with at least one node or a small group of leaves. 2. Find a healthy, intact section of the cucumber stem, about ½ inch in diameter. 3. Clean the damaged area on the stem with a soft brush or cloth to remove any dirt or debris. 4. Peel back the protective outer layers of the stem, just enough to expose the healthy cambium layer. 5. Cut the stem in half vertically, about ½ inch below the point where the leaves would be, using a sharp knife. 6. Gently separate the two halves of the stem, creating two new separate plants. Each of the new plants will have its own root system and leaves, making it a perfect way to propagate your cucumber garden. These new plants can then be planted in soil to grow into your own cucumber plants. This natural remedy is a simple and effective way to propagate cucumbers. It is a great way to expand your cucumber planting and enjoy fresh, homegrown produce. So, give it a try and enjoy the benefits of growing your own cucumbers.